You won't believe how a small Central American country is making big waves in the global financial ocean. El Salvador's national currency once experienced one of the lowest incomes per capita in Latin America. But with the global cryptocurrency adoption rate hovering below 4%, this tiny nation didn't just dip its toes into the crypto pool. It dove in headfirst, adopting Bitcoin as its legal tender, with hopes of spurring economic development and fostering a new era of financial freedom. Now we're peeling back the layers of this audacious move. Was it a high-stakes bet that's yet to show its full hand, or is this gamble finally paying off? Join us in this video as we uncover the aftermath of their big bet on Bitcoin. So let's rewind a bit. El Salvador, this plucky little country, did something no one saw coming. It rolled out the red carpet for Bitcoin, officially adopting it as legal tender. Talk about a bold move. This wasn't just a fling. El Salvador went all in, purchasing Bitcoins and integrating them into their economy. From street vendors to big businesses, Bitcoin is the new buzz, fueling everything from daily purchases to mega investments. The aftermath? Is the gamble yielding any returns at all? El Salvador's journey with Bitcoin has been quite notable, especially since it became the first country in the world to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender in September 2021. This groundbreaking move aimed to stimulate the economy, attract investment, and improve access to financial services for its citizens. The country's decision was partly driven by the fact that remittances, often burdened with high transaction costs, account for a significant portion of its GDP, and a large segment of the population does not have bank accounts. Bitcoin, with its capability for quick and low-cost cross-border transactions, was seen as a solution to these challenges. The El Salvador government has taken steps to integrate Bitcoin into the economy, including purchasing Bitcoins and requiring businesses to accept the cryptocurrency for payments, though companies are allowed to convert Bitcoin to dollars immediately upon receipt. However, this move has been met with mixed reactions, including protests and concerns about the volatility of Bitcoin. In a major development, El Salvador has recently received regulatory approval for its Bitcoin-backed volcano bonds. These bonds are expected to be issued in the first quarter of 2024. The volcano bonds, which are anticipated to have a 10-year maturity and offer a 6.5% annual return, are part of El Salvador's plan to develop Bitcoin-based capital markets in the country. They are named after a plan to use geothermal energy from the country's volcanoes to power Bitcoin mining operations. The bond issuance aims to raise $1 billion and will be listed on the Bitfinex securities platform. Despite the challenges and debates surrounding this bold move, El Salvador's venture into Bitcoin represents a significant experiment in the realm of cryptocurrency and national economies. The financial gains? El Salvador's jump onto the Bitcoin bandwagon is paying off. The country's Bitcoin investment briefly swung into profitability, showing the world that even the underdogs can have their day in the crypto sun. Talk about hitting the jackpot. Here's what President Nayib Bukele has to say to critics. El Salvador's Bitcoin investments are in the black, after literally thousands of articles and hit pieces that ridiculed our supposed losses, all of which were calculated based on Bitcoin's market price at the time. With the current Bitcoin market price, if we were to sell our Bitcoin, we would not only recover 100% of our investment, but also make a profit of $3,620,277.13 USD as of this moment. Of course, we have no intention of selling. That has never been our objective. We are fully aware that the price will continue to fluctuate in the future. This doesn't affect our long-term strategy. Nonetheless, it is important that the naysayers and the authors of those hit pieces take back their statements. The responsible thing to do would be for them to issue retractions, offer apologies, or at the very least acknowledge that El Salvador is now yielding a profit, just as they repeatedly reported that we were incurring losses. If they consider themselves true journalists, they should report this new reality with the same intensity they reported the previous one. We'll see. Stay tuned. I'm curious about your perspective. Given the recent profits, do you believe there's a promising future ahead? Economic transformation? El Salvador's Bitcoin journey is reshaping its economy. Think of it as a techie facelift for a country primarily known for its coffee and textiles. It's a bold step towards economic modernization, bringing in investments and a buzz that's hard to ignore. And it's not just about Bitcoin. The country is exploring other avenues, like Bitcoin mining powered by volcanic energy. How cool is that? El Salvador's launched major Bitcoin mining project is worth $1 billion. The government's message? We're all in on crypto. This initiative is in partnership with Luxor Technology and leverages the geothermal energy of Conchagua volcano for mining operations. This bold move further cements El Salvador's place as a crypto trailblazer. And the social impact? Huge. Their Bitcoin wallet is chock full of digital gold, and the economic boost is undeniable. In spite of the doubts, a lot of things seem to be falling in place for the country after their Bitcoin adoption, including being selected to host the 72nd Miss Universe pageant, which took place at the Gimnasio Nacional Jose Adolfo Pineda in San Salvador, El Salvador, in November 2023. That's right, El Salvador not only got global investors nodding in approval, but also caught the eye of the international glamour world. Hosting such a prestigious event is like putting up a giant neon sign saying, "We're more than just Bitcoin savvy. We're also a cultural hotspot." Now, you can't just introduce a digital currency without the text to back it up, right? Their BTC adoption has also led to some infrastructural developments. Enter Bitcoin ATMs and tech-savvy apps. El Salvador has rolled out the red carpet for Bitcoin with over 200 ATMs dotting the landscape. They've embraced the digital age, ensuring even those without traditional banking can join the Bitcoin buzz. With Bitcoin ATMs popping up and businesses getting crypto savvy, it's a change that's catching on. Here on the Incorruptible Money Education channel, we simplify the intricate world of cryptocurrencies, offering trustworthy updates and extensive crypto literacy. Our mission is to guide you through the nuances of cryptocurrency investment, blockchain technology, and informed decision-making in the digital currency space. If your aim is to achieve financial independence and confidence within the crypto market and to comprehend its rapidly evolving landscape with insight and foresight, then click the subscription button and turn on your notification bell to become part of this community of crypto enthusiasts. But El Salvador's Bitcoin adventure has been nothing short of a roller coaster ride, sparking global conversations and turning heads in the financial world. Financial analysts and crypto gurus have been buzzing about El Salvador's bold Bitcoin play. The consensus? It's a groundbreaking move. While some experts view this as a risky gamble, others see it as a visionary step towards financial innovation. This tiny nation has become a big talking point in the crypto universe, sparking debates and discussions on every financial news channel and forum. Everyone's eyes are on El Salvador, waiting to see if this gamble pays off big time. Projections for Bitcoin's impact in El Salvador are looking as shiny as a new Bitcoin. Experts predict a potential ripple effect, inspiring other nations to consider similar moves. The adoption of Bitcoin could be the catalyst for significant economic and technological growth, putting El Salvador on the map as a trailblazer in digital currency adoption. With crypto enthusiasts and investors watching closely, El Salvador could be writing a new chapter in the global financial playbook. So I guess we should do some global comparison. How does El Salvador stack up against the rest of the world in crypto adoption? Well, they're certainly ahead of the curve. While many countries are still dipping their toes in the crypto waters, El Salvador is diving in headfirst. They're setting a precedent, showing that a small country can make a big impact in the digital world. So what's the bigger picture? Can other countries follow suit El Salvador's move to adopt Bitcoin, as legal tender has placed it at the forefront of a global crypto revolution? While the world is still grappling with the concept of digital currencies, this bold move has positioned El Salvador as a trendsetter in the crypto space, making it a subject of study and curiosity for other nations considering similar paths. It's a litmus test for other countries pondering cryptocurrency adoption. It's a pioneering effort that could potentially pave the way for others, showing the benefits and challenges of integrating a digital currency into a national economy. Countries worldwide are watching closely to learn from El Salvador's experiences and possibly replicate its success. Long-term implications? For El Salvador's economy and its digital innovation landscape, the stakes are high. The nation's Bitcoin adoption could spur economic growth, attract international investment, and enhance financial inclusivity. However, it also presents challenges such as volatility and regulatory issues. The long-term effects on El Salvador's economy will provide valuable insights into the viability of cryptocurrencies as mainstream legal tender. Ethical and social considerations. This national crypto experiment is more than just numbers and technology. It raises important ethical and social questions. From the impact on everyday transactions for the common Salvadoran to larger questions about financial security and national debt. El Salvador's Bitcoin journey is a case study in the broader implications of adopting cryptocurrency at a national level. As they navigate this uncharted territory, their successes and challenges will offer valuable lessons for the future of finance globally. Talk about a journey mixed with bold decisions, technological leaps, and a dash of glamour. It's a crypto cocktail that's definitely worth toasting to. But the ride doesn't end here. If you thought El Salvador's story was mind-blowing, wait till you hear about our next video. What Larry Fink doesn't want you to know about Bitcoin. Dive deeper into the world of Bitcoin with us as we unravel the secrets and insights that Larry Fink, a financial titan, might be keeping under wraps. It's a story you won't want to miss, especially if you're riding the crypto wave or just crypto curious. So are you ready for more revelations and crypto roller coasters? Click over and we'll catch you in the next video.